We're back in the Magic Kingdom, and we have more mystery pins.
You got smooshed.
We got 2 packs of pins. One is a Tiny Kingdom. There's 2 pins in this box, I hope. And there's a lot of fun ride icons on the back. And the other one is what?
Coffee cup.
Coffee cup. We've just been seeing a couple of these around in some of the pin boards, and we just got excited. So
we're going to open those first.
We're going to do these first. Okay. I think we actually got a Tiny Kingdom map. Look at this. I swear there was something else in there.
Oh.
Is there 3 pins?
Contains 3 randomly selected pins.
Tiny Kingdom had 3 pins, and it came with a little map. Isn't that fun? Okay, pin number 1.
Muppet Vision 3D.
Oh, neat.
It's Kermie.
Isn't that cool? All right, I like the first one. It's neat because it's actually the sign that's on the attraction. Pin number 2.
What is that?
I don't know what that is.
Where's the map?
Oh. It's over in Animal Kingdom.
I don't know what that's for.
Not sure what that is.
We'll have to do some research.
Okay, so we don't know what this one is. Pin number 3. Ooh, it's silver colored. So it's the logo for Black Spire Outpost. Isn't that cool?
That's fine.
Now on to the coffee cups.
I'm excited about these. Oh, we got this one yesterday.
Yeah, the ones that we have, we got Moana off a pin board, and we also got Hades off of a pin board.
Oh, I forgot we had Hades.
Yeah. 5 pins in these coffee cup pin bags.
Wow, it's so hot.
It is. Pin
It's like July.
number 1.
Ursula.
Oh, it's Ursula. Okay. So we got Ursula, and it's got the little shell on it. The shell with Ariel's voice. Yeah.
Oh, Minnie.
All right.
Minnie Mouse.
Cool. All right. 2 for 2.
Shh, don't jinx it.
Oh, I just jinxed it. It's gonna be Hades or Moana. Watch. It will, because I was stupid and I said something. That's how it goes.
Can't
That
teach
works.
this boy nothing.
Nope, you're supposed to wait till it's over. Oh, I'm done. I'm done.
Hey,
I'm
get
done.
your mind.
I'm done. What is it?
This is my collection.
What is it?
It's Figment. Like y'all didn't already know from that reaction.
I cannot believe I found a Figment.
I found a Figment. These are mine.
I can't believe a Figment. I'm so excited.
Oh,
Oh, right. Sorcerer Mickey.
Awesome.
Ah,
And last one.
here goes
Drum
nothing.
roll.
Fingers crossed. Something good.
Katie, see, it's Brandon's fault.
I did it. I can own this. I did it. Oh, but you know what? We have a brand new one, and we can trade the other one. All right.
All right.
So we ended up with a Hades, a Sorcerer Mickey, a Minnie Mouse, a Ursula, and a Figment. I think we had a really good haul. That was good. I'm excited. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
They were really good.
That was a good start.
Yes.
Do you like to collect the mystery pins here at Walt Disney World? If you do, let us know what collections you have in the comments below. And remember, until next time,
No capes. Okay, I need you to take a picture of me with my pin. You're such a goofer.